His Excellency,
the golden boy, no other person than Mr. Peter Obi. Put your hands together, please.
Labour Party
Forward ever.
to unveil our candidate and his program. That's what we are here for. And I can tell you, I want you to go home. Remember what the candidate said and do what? Go and verify. What we are lacking in our country today is that we've chosen not to listen. We've chosen not to verify what we're told. Our candidate started today by telling you, I am this person. This is the person I am. I went to this primary school. I went to this secondary school. I went to this university. I've worked here. What is it telling you? Go and verify. That is why we start. This is the beginning of it. We want to go and ask about people. I came from a culture where if you want to marry, if you want to do anything, people will go and verify. And it is important. That is what we need to do. So that all these things he said he did or didn't do, we can ask questions about them. It is only by doing this that we will know what we are going to do with the future. If you don't know where you're coming from, there's no way you can explain where you're going to. We need to verify where people are coming from. We need to verify what they are telling us. That is what we are lacking in Nigeria today. Look at a state like Bayelsa. We drove from Port Harcourt to Bayelsa today. The only thing you can feel for Nigeria is pain. That you can come to this state and still see poverty. It's unfortunate. That shows how bad things are in Nigeria. That you can drive into this state without driving with the best roads. It's very sad. Nigeria has failed Niger Delta. Nigeria has failed Bayelsa. This is a state where we discovered our first oil. January 1956. Over 67 years after, you cannot drive on a good road to Bayelsa. 67 years after. Even if we are doing 1 kilometer a year, we would have completed it. But we didn't do that. After Sokoto, as the poorest state, with 90.5%, the next state is Bayelsa with 8.5%.
Jesus.
Can anybody believe it? I'm telling you, follow us to go and sell this in Nigeria. We want to move Nigeria from consumption to
Production.